In this episode, we're going to learn how to count back. We count things every day. What are some things you've counted? When we count, we are trying to figure out how many things are in a group. For example, here we have 4 pencils. I took away 1. Now how many do I have? Well, the last number I said was 4, so I can count back 1 to get to 3. When you count back 1, you count back 1 less. You can count 2 less if you want to. Here we have 5 bears. Now I took away 2. How many bears do I have? Well, I started with 5 and I counted back 2, 4, 3. I have 3 bears. I can even make this into a subtraction sentence. I had 5 bears and I took away 2, so now I have 3 bears. I can write this as 5 minus 2 equals 3. You can count back with 3 the same way. For example, I have 7 balloons. I took away 3. How many do I have now? Well, I started with 7 and then I counted back 3. 6, 5, 4. I have 4 balloons. I can even write this as a subtraction sentence. So I can write this as 7 minus 3 equals 4. When you have 0, it's easy to count back. For example, I have 3 fish. I take away 0 fish. Since I'm subtracting 0, I'm not taking anything away. So the answer is still 3. Now that we've learned how to count back, let's see if you can count back with these objects. I have 6 crayons. I take away 2. How many do I have now? That's right, I have 4 crayons. I have 5 mice, and I'm taking away 1. How many do I have now? That's right, I have 4 mice. I hope you like my lesson on counting back. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.